Right here apart, I have a 4L80E transmission, and this came in. This was a rebuilt transmission because I rebuilt it. And let me see, December, March, April, May, about 5 months ago, and something happened. It had no reverse, so this is a warranty job on this 4L80E. Had no reverse. Everything was good. Clutches was good. And the customer say, hey, he put in reverse and it wasn't working right. And he said Ford wasn't doing too well also. Of course, under warranty, had to take it back apart and see what goes on. And went on, and here's what happened. This part right here snapped right off. Let me see here. Where is the other piece of it? Right here. This part of the gear snaps off. It went right into... I got a new one here now put on, but it went right into this sun here, right here. Goes in there, and it turns the sun gear. Okay, and off it went. Bloop. There's nothing you can do about that. You know, there's going to be times where you're going to have comebacks. You will have comebacks, and it will be something that you didn't do. So get prepared for that. Those who have shops, because you're going to have to be redoing again like this. See, here is another one. And this is very rare that this happened. He pulls a landscape trailer, but a 4L80 should take it. Okay, so I got another one here that I'm going to put on. All the clutches were good in this. So, once again, no reverse. But this shaft that goes into the sun gear was broken. I got to see what the name of that shaft is, so I can tell you what it is. So let me get the name. Alright, this is being called in the WIT book an intermediate sun gear shaft. Okay, an intermediate sun gear shaft. So it's the intermediate sun gear shaft that broke. That goes in this part here. You know, sun gear goes in here and turns that planetary there, and here's the broken piece down here, and this part goes here. So with this broken, it can't even turn this sun gear, which can't turn this planet, you know. So of course there's going to be a problem with no something, because the gears aren't turning. So again, no reverse. If you end up having no reverse, it could probably turn that way, but when it goes to turn this way, of course it won't turn. Okay, so if you have no reverse, this shaft could be a problem. This is a probable cause. All right.